Life, which was originated in the water, in spite of all obstacles, has found its way. On a fertile land, where its sprouts have grown up, since then they have spread all over the earth. And so, on this new land, on this huge and fertile ground, a man found a seed and the right place where to plant it.
In 1892, Luiz Vicente de Souza Queiroz donated the São João da Montanha farm to the state of São Paulo, aiming for the creation of a school of agriculture. Since then, the humanity has faced 2 world wars. Nevertheless, in this century, the technological changes have maintained society in permanent development.
Life needs finding its way to bloom.
The school dreamed by Luiz de Queiroz started its classes in 1901. In 1934, ESALQ was one of the colleges which made possible the creation of the University of São Paulo. In 1964, it was the first college of the University of São Paulo to implement graduate programs.
Finding its place, caring and protecting it. The knowledge about a land is more valuable than the land itself.
The traditional large-scale agriculture uses average calculations to determine the quantity of fertilizers, pesticides, and other products to be used on the whole farm. But the average calculations cannot identify some isolated productive spots. Knowing the land in detail makes it possible to determine soil peculiarities, therefore applying the exact amount of products, thus avoiding excesses and wastes. This technique received the name of precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is considered by many researchers as the foremost breakthrough in the agriculture area, since the replacement of animal traction by the mechanical implements.
What is the value of the land? Someone said, it's the value of an ideal. One ideal that has given impulse to the human mind, a planted seed that has been left to be cropped and harvested by others. Cultivate, harvest, and plant again. A century dedicated to the land.
The campus administration building is responsible for the maintenance of all the local unit facilities. The library has 120,000 volumes. It is the most complete library in Latin America in the area of agriculture sciences. The Computing Center of the Luiza Queiroz campus gives support to the faculty, students, and staff activities. There are 11 departments of basic and applied sciences, with approximately 230 professors and 540 employees. Six undergraduate courses: agronomic engineering, forestry engineering, economy sciences, food sciences, biological sciences, and environment management. ESALQ offers 15 graduate programs and also a program offered in partnership with the Nuclear Energy and Agriculture Center. This institute, which was inaugurated in 1966, has been developing researches on livestock and on the environment using nuclear techniques. ESALQ has approximately 1,000 graduate students and 1,700 undergraduate students who can count on national and international supporting institutes. Around 10,000 students have graduated from ESALQ, and this number has been increasing year by year.
Grow up and multiply. Life goes on finding its way, fruiting and solving mysteries.
ESALQ works through partnerships with other schools and institutions to develop its researches. To control the citrus fruit borer, a trap with a synthetic pheromone was developed as a tool for monitoring the pest before it could seriously harm the citrus groves. The biological control of the agricultural pests helps decrease the use of chemical products whose abusive use can be harmful to the environment. ESALQ is the Latin American leader in this area of research.
It is necessary to carry on, but beyond carrying it on, it's necessary taking care.
11 universities and research institutes working together have mapped the genome sequence of the bacteria Shigella, which causes the pathology known as citrus variegated chlorosis. The genome sequence is the first step towards the control of this plant pathology. In the area of forestry research, efforts have resulted in new ways to maintain the woods in the landscape, maintaining the biological diversity, protecting the soil, the spring water, and the water streams, providing products and works indispensable for the society. The The experimental program of raising confined broad-snouted caiman could save this endangered species. Working in partnership with breeders has reduced the illegal hunting of this animal. Price tables published by ESALQ have been taken as parameters in the agribusiness daily decisions.
The effort done by all people who have worked and studied here, the land and its people. All this correspond to the 3,700 hectares shared with the campus and experimental stations.
A teaching and researching institute, graduating professionals in agricultural, environmental, and social applied sciences.
Generating knowledge, improving life conditions in the country.
This is ESALQ. This is the Luiz de Queiroz College of Agriculture.